Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02269 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called ch_, which I already created. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. Okay. So now I am going to create one table. Create table employees to create table employees to. So there are column called employee number. So employee number I am providing long as a data type to the employee number column, which will be a primary key. So this will be a primary key. Name column, I am creating name column and providing varchar2 as a data type. Okay, enter. ORA-02269 key column cannot be of long data type. So what you mean by that is primary key column cannot be having long data type. So I am giving some other valid data type for primary key column. So I am providing number as a data type for the primary key column. Now you can see the table is got created. So this is the fix for ORA-02269.